Hello, it's Thursday and I've got my apron on. It's Annette here coming to you live from Simply Too Good headquarters in my kitchen, and we're cooking today. Well, we're actually not cooking really, we're making a salad, and it's out of book 3 and it's the Asian salad. So let me show it to you. It's just a very popular one and I've had it requested because it's so popular and they wanted to see me make it. So this is the Asian salad out of book 3. Now it's enough for 10 as a side dish. Now Billy and I have decided we're having this for lunch, a late lunch, so we're going to go into Cooking for 2 and make it here for 2 people. That's what I love, isn't it? For the empty nesters or the singles, this is the books to have because it just makes life so much easier and so less waste and time. So if you want to make the full one, you'll do exactly what I'm doing, but in a larger quantity, all right? So let's look at the ingredients we need for this amazing salad. And it's just so much better than just having lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and I love it for barbecues or when people come over because everybody loves it. So I've already toasted up a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and I've also done a tablespoon of the almond slivers. And they're toasted, ready to go. The reason I toast them is because I want the flavour to bang out from them. When they're raw, they just are much milder. So with nuts, if you want to really know they're in there, or the sesame seeds, toast them. But make sure you watch it under the grill because they can burn quickly. All right, so that's what's going in there. I'm also going to chop up some celery and some shallots. I've got the chang noodles here to go in, and some cabbage, the wombok, the Chinese cabbage. Now the dressing is the fat-free French dressing, soy sauce, brown sugar, and that's kind of it because this is the theme for this year, isn't it? It's all about quick and easy, simple, simple, easy. All right, so let's start chopping. Okay, so we need 3 tablespoons of shallots, green onions, eschalots, whatever you want to call it. So I'll get my tablespoon measure here. And because it's in such small quantities, I've had to use tablespoons in a lot of the measurements because it's not enough to do 1/4 cup. And I mean, it's a bit hard because the measures on the cups, they don't go lower than 1/4 cup. So I found the tablespoon way was much better. 3 tablespoons. I reckon that's looking pretty good. All right, so here's my bowl. I might as well just put it in as I go. So we want 3 tablespoons. Now, if you don't have any shallots, you know, you could always do just sliced onion, but I just think because it's Asian, shallots are definitely my preference. Now, with the celery, we want 1/4 cup. Where's my little 1/4 cup? And I want them thinly sliced. I don't want big chunks of celery. And as I said, it's 1/4 cup. Now the wombok is definitely what you need for this. You can't use normal cabbage. And I find because I'm going to have some left over, I will just use it in my tossed salads. And just have it sliced in it so you get, you know, to use it up, or in a few days time, because that'll last in the fridge for a fair bit, you can make this all again. 1/4 cup. That's good. That can all go in. All right, so now I'm going to do the cabbage. Thanks for joining me today. I just think it's so fun to make recipes for you, and I'm really interested in recipes that you like as well. Now this one was asked for, would you make the Asian salad one time in 2023? So here I am, and the fat count for this salad is so much better than the normal one. It's 4.9 grams of fat, and in the Cooking for 2, it's 4.9 in the Cooking for 2, but in the bigger one, it serves 10, it's 4.7. Now the key is we want thin sliced, okay? Thin slices of wombok. Now I like it when I can just use the end bit but if you want to, you'd have to cut out this core. You don't want that core because it's quite hard. You want, I like a lot of green if I can. All right, we want 3 cups. Now this is for 2 people. Let's have a look. And I chop it down the middle. Of course, I don't know why, but I do. 3 cups. Let's have a look how we're going. A little bit more. And it will shrink down. As you know, when the dressing goes on it, cabbage does go down in size. That should be a good amount. Press it down. Perfect. In we go. So you can see, super easy salad. You know, just get away from just making lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Let's get some exciting recipes going this year. So I'm going to mix that celery and the shallots. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up the dressing. So we want 3 tablespoons. Where's the little lid thing? Oh, there it is. 3 tablespoons of the, and I get this in Woolies. So we want 3 tablespoons. And remember, my tablespoons are 15 ml. 2, 3. Tablespoon of brown sugar. And a teaspoon of the salt-reduced soy sauce. There we go. Fantastic. Now, I always shake it. You could get a whisk and do it, but I don't know. I've always done it this way, where I just shake it. Give it a really good mix-up. Now, the thing with Asian salad is you can prepare it to a certain level. So I'm going to put the sesame seeds in and the almonds, right? And mix that together. I'm going to wait until, normally what I would do is I'd have that ready in the fridge and wait till it's actually time to eat the salad, because the noodles will go soft once they're in the wet ingredients. And it's just not as nice. I like having that crunchy noodle in there. I'm sure you do too. So this is the Chang fried noodles. You buy them in a bag. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to say, right, we're ready to eat. So pour the dressing over. Let's get that all out. I'm going to be using my hands anyway to mix it. And then I'm now going to put the noodles in, ready to serve. As I said, please don't rush ahead and do this before you actually want to eat them. Eat the salad, okay? In we go. I mean, look at how easy that is. And I've got to tell you, this salad definitely has the wow factor. It's the Asian salad. As you can see, this is for 2 people. I'm very generous, aren't I? Let's put it into the bowl. As I said, it will shrink down a little bit as it settles. But there is our Asian salad. Look at that, isn't that fabulous? Fantastic. Now let me just wash my hands. All right, so there is the salad, all fabulous. Another super easy recipe on a Thursday with Annette. Now, if you want to win book 3, where you get the serves 10, or cooking 1 or 2 that serves 2, because you know what? Remember I said I'm going to be more generous this year. You can have them both. You don't have to choose. That's right. So today you can have both books. You're welcome. I'll personally sign them. Do you want to win them? Well, all you have to do is like, share, and then in the comments, you just do #Symply2Good. And I'll pick 3 fabulous people to win both books. Yes, that's right. So now next week's show is another request. I know. People have been at me for this recipe for a while and I'm making it next week. It's the banana scones from book 6. Now, scones, if you just aren't good at scones, let me show you the way because I make the best scones ever and I'm excited to cook them for you. It's out of book 6. Now, if you want more recipes or tips, you know where to go, simplytoogood.com.au. And don't forget, if you haven't signed up for the mentoring program, come on, sneak in now. It's not too late. Get in and go to simplytoogood.com.au/membership and sign up now. Anyway, well, there's another fabulous, I mean, who knew that salad could be so deliciously healthy? I know. This is a really good one. And the thing is, with salads, you have to be careful. Some of them can be as high in fat as any else, like Caesar salad, can be probably one of the worst to eat. It's the dressings and all the different things you add in. But my way, it's called guilt-free living. So thanks for sharing the day with me for a little bit, and I'll catch you next Thursday. Same time, same place. See you then. Bye now.